Hey gang, I've got my second box of 2019 Panini Contenders Draft Picks Football as promised. I kind of showed you all the deets in the first video, so I'm not going to go back over it. I'll just say quickly again, there's 6 autographs. Most, if not all, will be, of course, draft picks. There's 6 packs in the box. They're kind of thick packs with 18 cards, but this break won't take too terribly long. The first one took about 10 minutes, and that one I was kind of blabbing, running my trap there at the end, so I'll try not to do that so much this time around. That first break was pretty good. I got a pretty, what I think is a, well, you know, with draft picks it remains to be seen, but I think I pulled a pretty good redemption there. If you want to go watch that video, you can. Be my guest. Put my breaking skills to the test. Okay. These are very colorful. They remind me a lot of the 2017 product. I like them. I like the setup. It looks very much like a ticket. It's pretty cool. Alright, Tyreek Hill, Keenan Allen, Bradley Chubb, Michael Thomas, Derek Carr, Royce Freeman, David Montgomery. Oh, this is different. David Montgomery, School Colors, Iowa State. Did not get any autographs like this in box 1, so it's a good start. Something different there. Not numbered or anything, but still nice. Drew Lock, game day ticket. Rodney Anderson, game day ticket. Henderson and Pollard connection. Sorry, zoned out there for a second. Draft class, Daniel Jones, Auburn Miss, Andrew Luck, Mariota, McCaffrey, Peyton Manning, Emmitt Smith, Tim Tebow. I'm already seeing a lot of names of players that I did not get in box 1, so that's pretty good. Happy about that. Aaron Rodgers, Khalil Mack, Ray Lewis, Herschel Walker, Traquan Smith, Julio, Travis Homer, Miami Hurricanes, rookie auto. So that's hit number 2. Will Greer, game day ticket. Bryce Love, game day ticket. Gary Jennings Jr. and Will Greer again. Draft class, Dwayne Haskins for Ohio State. Barry Sanders and Thurman Thomas legacy. Matt Breida, Dan Marino, Rashad Penny, Golden Tate, Tony Dorsett, and Juju. Alright, Roethlisberger, Michael Gallup, David Johnson, Red Grange, J.J. Watt, A.J. Green, and Tony Pollard. That name's familiar, so that's probably a good thing. Memphis. Okay, so that's number 3. Marquise Brown game day ticket and Kyler Murray, 2 Oklahoma players. Paul Hornet. Oh, I can't talk. Paul and Tim, let's just leave it at that. Justice Hill draft class, legacy Bosa and Bosa. The Bosa connection, Barry Sanders, Melvin Gordon, Darius Leonard, Jordan Wilkins, Antonio Brown, and Valdez Scantling. Alright, next pile. Golf, Thielen, Lamar Jackson, Calvin Ridley, Ito Smith, Troy Aikman, and Byron Murphy, Washington Huskies autograph. Then we have N'Keal Harry game day ticket, Ryan Finley, Billy Cannon, Leonard Fournette, Travion Williams draft class for Texas A&M, legacy Earl Campbell, Ricky Williams, Josh Adams, Nick Mullins, Deshaun Watson, Saquon, Joe Namath, and Amari Cooper. They came back to back in the last box too, in one of the packs. Alright, last 2 packs. Brett Favre, Nick Chubb, Darius Geis, Sam Darnold, Joe Mixon, Kamara, and Anthony Johnson. Rookie auto for Buffalo? Is that right? Yep, University at Buffalo. Anthony Johnson. Alright, that's hit number 5. Trace McSorley, game day ticket. Mike Weber, game day. Bryce Love and JJ Arcega-Whiteside. And there's JJ again, draft class. Legacy, JJ and TJ Watt. Dak Prescott, Philip Lindsay, Ezekiel Elliott, Tom Brady, Josh Rosen, and Mr. Baker Mayfield, who is probably in for a big season. I'm pulling for the Browns. I hope they're lights out. I hope they're great. I'll pull for them. Travis Kelce, Bo Jackson, Michael Irvin, DeAndre Hopkins, Roger Staubach, James Conner, and Jacques Patrick for Florida State. I guess it's Jacques or Jacques Patrick? I don't know. Anyway, so it looks like that one insert auto was like our big hit of this box. Then we have Damien Harris, who I've watched play on many Saturdays. AJ Brown, game day ticket. Some more Auburn stuff. Kelvin Harmon, draft class. Emmitt Smith and Tim Tebow for Florida. Marcus Allen, Christian Kirk, Patrick Mahomes, Earl Campbell, Terry Bradshaw, and Antonio Callaway. Lots of people buy this. And like with a lot of the draft products, they don't care. The base cards don't carry a ton of value. Of course, there's still a lot to say about what this rookie class does. The price on these boxes is pretty high. I mean, you're gonna pay a pretty penny for 6 autographs, even if they're all 6 of them are stinky. That's just what Panini does. So I don't know. I'm gonna leave it up to you. Comment below. Let me know what you think about draft pick products in general. Are they worth the money or not? That's my question to you this week. Do you want to pay up for the draft stuff, or just wait for till they're drafted and you can get cards of them in their official team uniforms? What say you, folks? Alright, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. Hugs and kisses and smoochy boochies and all that good stuff. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you again soon.